Hello and Namaste viewers. Welcome to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Today I have brought an interesting, quick, simple dessert recipe which is made with a bottle gourd. It's called bottle gourd milk halwa. So let's quickly go and check on the ingredients and preparation process, viewers. Now let's check out the ingredients process to prepare a bottle gourd milk halwa. So I have taken here a medium size bottle gourd, you can see here. For the sweet, I am going to add jaggery, approximately 50 grams of jaggery, crushed jaggery, 1 glass of milk and fresh cream. I am going to take 4 tablespoons of fresh cream and approximately 50 ml of ghee. Here goes nuts for garnishing, cashew nut, raisins and badam. So let's quickly check out the preparation process. So here you can see I have peeled the bottle gourd and finely grated them. I am not going to discard the water of it. I am going to use it as it is because it is very good. It has vitamins and minerals in the water content. So I am going to use as it is with the water of the bottle gourd. Here I have taken a wide bottom pan. I am going to add sufficient ghee. To this I am going to add the bottle gourd, finely grated bottle gourd. And cook it thoroughly till the raw flavor of the bottle gourd is cooked thoroughly. The bottle gourd will leave the water content, so from that itself the bottle gourd will be cooked. First let it cook in the low flame for 10 minutes. Now you can see here the bottle gourd is well cooked. All the water content is being absorbed by the vegetable, that is bottle gourd. So at this stage I am going to add milk gradually. First add half glass of milk and cook for 1 minute. Keep the flame in a little high, but keep stirring it, otherwise the bottle gourd will stick to the bottom of the pan. So after 1 minute, I'm going to keep the flame low. I am going to add the remaining milk and going to keep stirring for 2 minutes, keeping the flame high. You have to keep on stirring and you have to cook until the bottle gourd completely absorbs the milk. So now you can see here the milk is reduced to half the content. I have added 1 glass, so it has come approximately to less than half glass. So at this stage the bottle gourd is completely cooked, so we are going to add one by one. I am going to add the crushed jaggery. So this you can adjust according to the taste. I am going to add half quantity of it. Then I will check it later. Once the sweet is correct for me, I am just going to leave the remaining. So now you have to keep the flame high and keep stirring till the jaggery is completely dissolved and binds to the bottle gourd mixture. So cook in high flame and keep stirring. So now you can see here the ghee is separates from the bottle gourd. It gets separated. At this stage you can see the water content is completely absorbed by the bottle gourd. So at this stage I am just going to add fresh cream. I am going to take here 2 tablespoons of it. I think that is sufficient. So I am going to just give a gentle mix and going to switch off the stove. The cream will give a smoothie texture and additional flavor for our bottle gourd halwa. The halwa has taken the color of jaggery. So you can see here ghee is nicely coming separated and coming out of the halwa at the sides of the pan. If you want, you can even add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. And add the chopped nuts. And you can switch off the stove. My bottle gourd milk halwa is ready to be served. It's a complete, nutritious and delicious dessert. Bottle gourd is rich in vitamin A, iron, fiber, and for children, if you give this type of a dessert of bottle gourd, they will love to eat. They will not know like it's a bottle gourd halwa. So I'm going to serve it in a bowl. If you can even add the cardamom powder, as at present I am not available with it, so I am not adding it, but definitely you can add the cardamom powder. It will give you additional flavor. So here goes my bottle gourd milk halwa. So here goes my bottle gourd milk halwa. It is ready to be served hot. I hope you like this recipe of mine. If so, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Very soon see you my viewers with another interesting delicious recipe. Thank you, enjoy and happy eating viewers.